You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast, where each episode gives you real insight into successful global relocations. Brought to you by SDC International Shipping. Maybe you're moving for work, family, or a new adventure, but our goal is to show you how smooth, thoughtful planning can make all the difference. Today's story is the Harrison family, 2 parents, 2 kids, and 1 international transfer from Orange County to London. John Harrison had just accepted a new job in London, and the relocation clock was ticking. The kids' school term was starting in less than 2 weeks, and their youngest, a toddler, still needed their crib, car seat, and familiar toys to sleep peacefully at night. "We were feeling completely overwhelmed," said Kim. "The sea shipment was already scheduled, but we hadn't thought about how long it might take to arrive. All of a sudden, we were staring down 2 months without our essentials." That's when their relocation specialist at SDC suggested a hybrid shipping approach. The hybrid shipping solution. SDC explained the difference between air freight and sea freight, not just in speed, but also in cost, capacity, and custom timelines. Within 24 hours, SDC had helped the Harrisons inventory the most important items they needed to live comfortably for the first few weeks in London. "We didn't even know air freight was an option," Kim said. "We thought we'd just have to wait and buy everything new." SDC's team professionally packed a starter shipment and booked air freight for fast delivery. It included the toddler's crib and stroller, school uniforms, backpacks, and supplies for the 2 older kids, 1 week's worth of clothing for the family, and a few of the kids' favorite books and toys. Quick turnaround and peace of mind. The air shipment arrived in just 10 days. It was delivered directly to their rental home in London. No complicated pickup or custom confusion. Everything was ready and waiting when the family landed. "Having our daily essentials made a world of difference," Kim said. "It gave us time to settle without panic shopping. We didn't have to rebuy everything. And the kids had what they needed to feel at home." Meanwhile, their full sea container, which SDC had professionally packed, labeled, and loaded, was on its way. SDC provided tracking updates every step of the journey. And weeks later, the full container was cleared and delivered to their new home right on schedule. "The process was seamless," John said. "We never felt like we were in the dark. SDC coordinated everything from port clearance to final delivery." And here is why it worked. The Harrisons' family success story shows the value of customized planning. By understanding their timelines and lifestyle needs, SDC created a hybrid shipping solution that saved time, reduced costs, and eased the transition for the whole family. Kim summed it up best. "If we hadn't called SDC, we would have made a lot of costly mistakes. Instead, we had breathing room to start our new life." Hybrid shipping can reduce stress and cut costs during a family move. Whether you're relocating for work, starting a new chapter abroad, SDC International Shipping can help you combine air and sea freight in a way that works for your schedule and budget. Give us a call, 877-339-0267, or you can visit sdcinternationalshipping.com to start your move right with a solution that's built around you.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, We're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.